another Blender tutorial. Now I'm scrapping the upload schedule, just doing the video every 2 days in order. So let's get right into it. We're not going to be doing anime, but we're all going to be doing a snow scene. So we're going to learn how to make snow and also a snow scene basically. So first thing we want to do is delete this, go on to world, go on to and expand this. So environment lighting, and horizon color, do a nice shade of blue. For example, 1. So now that's a nice shade of blue. And now make it a bit darker. Darker here, I mean. So like this, nice shade. But you just copy the numbers. If you want to do any colour, but okay. Now, Shift plus A for a plane. Material, go into new material and make sure it's right, all the way right. So now, and you want to scale this up all the way until it's like here, yes, okay? And now, what we want to do is we want to make a snowman. So with Shift plus A, you know how to do this. Snowman, UV sphere, and Shift plus A, another sphere, UV sphere, and scale this down, and make sure it's all the way down, and then hold down Shift and click this and move it up so it's just like so, just like this, and also move it to the side a little bit. So move it like this and make sure it's, and now press A and select it, and also press Shift again and make sure it's, and turn on both lights. Now what should have, so I just turn on both lights. Now it's going to tap a material. Actually no. We'll do the first material. Yeah, this. The same with this. Just, material one, so like this. And now, if you go into render view, you'll see it looks something a bit like this. So now, yeah, switch back. And now, we want to do this, you won't do anything on the snowman, the extra features, but we'll add a hat, so Shift plus A, mesh, cylinder. You just want to make sure it's, just scale it down of course, and move it up. Now, sorry about this, just should be done in a second. And now we make it kind of like the top hat, a bit like this, and just just position it so it's the centre of snowman's head. And now what you want to do is, of course, just move it to the side of this bit, and then scale it down even more because it looks a bit big at the moment. So it's a bit like this, and then move it to the side of this bit, and yeah. So now what you want to do, you want to go into Z, and actually don't, go into edit mode, and go into Z a little bit, and then go into lines, edges, select the bottom one, and do out then do hold down out to no, and hold down out, and yeah. Now what you need to do is scale this out a bit. Actually, don't make sure it's selected. Then there should be an option for scale. Now what should have it's not like this. You have to E. So hold down E. Then just keep holding down E. Actually no. So with this selected, you need to make sure. So just make sure, basically, the G. Now S. Basically, you want to make sure it's basically all of it's extruded out. So press that control this, and control that, and yeah. So so just get it all back, you know. Okay, so I just had a little bit of running. I've edited it out, of course. Anyway, so make sure. So add a new cylinder. So shift plus A, cylinder. Circle. And then go into edit mode and press F. Then go back into object mode and you see it's filled. So just move it back. So this is just a snowman, and what should happen is make hats, move it up a little bit, scale it down, and then the side and up, like this, and also to the side a little bit. So now what you want to do is change this to another one, and this one needs to be green, like a bit, like a shade of green like this, and just darken it down. So and then also go material is, also want to change the material to material 4, and you're done. Well, almost. Just position it. So you can and then just make sure the circle is positioned perfectly. Like, it's helpful if you go into wireframe mode and see it's done. So now we've done this, but what we want to do, so just go into rendered mode to see what it looks like. It looks decent. See, it looks pretty good. Now what we want to do is we want to do solid, and then so now what we need to do, shift plus A, mesh plane, and just drag it over here, move it up a bit, so just move it up, and yeah, and then just scale it a bit so it's coming in typing, and keep moving it up. Now what should happen is, and now this is where we do the snow. So go into particle system. So just make sure you see it all. Go into particle system, click new, and set the number to 10,000. Now what should happen is you can see it rains down. Now for you to pause it and deselect all of them, and if we went into rendered view, you can see it looks like snow, which is what the effect we want to achieve. So of course it looks like, so it looks pretty good. Now now if we go back into normal view, and and I need to just make sure it's my colours right, just in case colours like right, and you know, snow. Great. Now we just want to make sure the camera's positioned, which if we go into object and note view, and camera, active camera, and we just need to move it up a little bit. Just select this, move it up a little bit, you know. And now if you do this again, just move this up a little bit, like here, and then view, camera, active camera, and yeah. So now what we want to do is, now it's done, we just need to render this frame, render it. And you'll easily see the snow. It's not the best snow, but of course, you know, it's done. It's pretty good. So now we've done this, you want to, there's one more, you can add the eyes to the snowman or anything, but now what we want to do is just select rendering settings. So go to render presets, I'll do my MacBook theme, and you know, and then normally I do this PNG, AVI JPEG, so this, and I'll just do it in desktop if I can, or just do like a new folder. You know what I mean? I'm just doing. Yeah, I'm just gonna create this new directory. I'll just call it Blender videos. Yeah, Blender videos, and save it in Blender videos and accept. So now I've done this, it's pretty much everything I need to do. So I'll start animating it, and once it's rendered, I'll